Welcome to Siksha Maths Academy. Today we will discuss De Moivre's theorem IPA. Already నేను మీకు 3 sums కంప్లీట్ చేశాను. నెక్స్ట్ see here, this is fourth one. లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో అంటే పార్ట్ 3లో లాస్ట్ పార్ట్ కొంచెం మిస్ అయింది. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ మీకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. నెక్స్ట్ see here, fourth question, same model, previous sum లాగే. So cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0 is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal. Then prove that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 3/2 is equal to this is also. So 3/2 nam prove cheyali. Okay, chudandi. First consideration. Mundu samlo consideration a is equal to sin alpha plus I cos alpha plus I sin alpha అని తీసుకున్నాం కదా. ఇక్కడ అలాగే తీసుకున్నాం. A is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. దీన్ని మనం ఏం రాసుకుందాం? sis alpha అని రాసుకోవచ్చా? మీకు ముందు వీడియోలో కూడా చెప్పాను. నెక్స్ట్ b is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta, that is equal to sis beta. Next c is equal to cos gamma plus I sin gamma, that is equal to sis gamma. Okay, next one. So 1 by a is equal to cos alpha minus I sin alpha. 1 by b is equal to cos beta minus I sin beta. 1 by c is equal to cos gamma minus I sin gamma. Okay, ఇదంతా మనం ముందు సమస్య రాసుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ కన్సిడర్ a plus b plus c is equal to, ఇప్పుడు అలాగే తీసుకున్నాం కదా, a plus b plus c is equal to, see here, a b c, see the real part, cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, అంతే కదా, cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma plus I into, see here, I, so I is taken as common, imaginary part is sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Okay, sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Okay, so what is the given question? Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0 and sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to 0. So this part is 0 and this part is 0. So totally a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Okay, here squaring on both sides. ముందు సమ్ అయితే మనం క్యూబిక్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ చేయాలి. చూడండి, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 0 square means 0. Okay, so what is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square? A plus b plus c whole square formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 0. Okay, now I am taking a square plus b square plus c square here. This total part send that side. So minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, see here. In this 2 into abc is taken as common. So 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. So a square plus b square plus c square. This total part is in this place or right 0. Okay, and మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే ఆ పార్ట్ 0 నే వచ్చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా రాసేయండి. is equal to 0. a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. Okay, so what you will get? A square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. Okay, in this a place I am writing a is equal to, take what is the a value of cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole square plus b plus cos beta plus I sin beta whole square plus cos gamma plus I sin gamma whole square is equal to 0. Okay, so మనం ప్రీవియస్ సమ్ లో కూడా పవర్ లో ఉన్న వాటిని యాంగిల్ లో రాసుకున్నాం కదా. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా అలాగే రాద్దాం. సో ఇన్ దిస్ స్క్వేర్ ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma plus I sin 2 gamma is equal to 0. Real part మొత్తం ఒక బ్రాకెట్ రాసేస్తున్నాను. So what is the real part here? Cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos 2 gamma. Okay. So cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is the real part. And imaginary part is I sin 2 alpha, I sin 2 beta, I sin 2 gamma. So from these three terms, I is taken as common. So I is taken as common. Sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma is equal to 0. Now I am comparing with real part and imaginary part both sides. Comparing real part. Comparing real part on both sides. So what is the real part now here? Cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is equal to 0. Now I am comparing with real part. Cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is equal to 0. And I got 0 in the quadrant. Okay, 0 is real part and imaginary part. Okay. So cos 2 alpha in terms of cos formula in trigonometry. So what is the formula? Cos 2 theta in terms of cos 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. So 2 cos square alpha minus 1 అవుతుంది. So this is the formula of cos 2 alpha. Next here also 2 cos square beta minus 1 plus 2 cos square gamma minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. See here 2 cos square alpha plus 2 cos square beta plus 2 cos square gamma. 2 cos square alpha plus 2 cos square beta plus 2 cos square gamma. Connect to 2 common in journey. 2, 2, 2. So 2 is taken as common. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. See here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So minus 3. Send that side. Plus 3. Okay. So these two also send that side. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to. These two send that side. 3 by 2. You get the answer. So cos square alpha plus cos square plus cos square gamma is equal to 3 by 2. Our answer you will get. Next, see another proof. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is also 3 by 2. Okay. That prove cheyadam. Cos square alpha and ekkada nunchi cos square alpha in terms of sin from identity. So what is the formula? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Raskocha. Can I write? 1 minus sin square alpha plus 1 minus sin square beta plus 1 minus sin square gamma is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 and 3. 3. See here. 1 minus sin square alpha plus 1 minus sin square beta, 1 minus sin square gamma. So, add in 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 3 minus of sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 3 by 2. So, this 3 by 2 send this side. This sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square send that side. Okay. So 3 minus 3 by 2 is equal to sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. See here 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 3 3. 3 by 2 is equal to sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. So this is the proof. Okay. So sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 3 by 2 and cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. This is the very important. Okay. Next, it's the next question.